All right, so here we have the Belhope Hand Massager. This has been super nice since we've just got it in the mail. It has 9 different massage modes, as you can see here, just by simply turning it on by holding down this button. It's gonna go ahead and start the fan. You can see here, it's also ventilated here in the front, so it'll allow air to go through so you don't have to worry about your palms sweating when you're using this. You can cycle through the 9 different modes by clicking this touch screen here, and then you also have the fan button to turn on and off, and here on the other side, that's gonna go ahead and control the airbags at the different settings. So you have all the way from 1 up to 9, and that's going to go ahead and compress the inside of your hand here. Also has the rollers on the bottom of your palm. You're going to be able to control those by this button here at the bottom right. You can see that it turns on green, and you can also hear that it turns on as well. This is going to be cycling through the bottom of your palm, so you can apply more pressure by pushing down, or you can just let your hand sit freely while it's going to go ahead and massage your palm. If you wanted to turn it on to a timer, there's also going to be this button here on the touch screen, so you have different timers from 15, 20, 10 minutes. So if you wanted to go ahead and set it up on a timer and then do something else in the meantime, you can do that, or you could just leave it on and turn it off when you're finished up with it. You should be able to fit any hands out there. As you can see here, it has this adjustable strap that will go ahead and strap down with this Velcro, and it is very comfortable, and you can adjust this as needed. The fan that's built in here is really nice because I've noticed that my hands get really sweaty if I use any type of device on my palms. So with it having this hole here in the front and actually having the fans built in here, I can actually use this for the full 20-minute timer, and it's actually really comfortable. So if you're on the computer a lot, or you just had a longer day at work and you use your hands for whatever type of job that you do, you can go ahead and put each hand in here. It works for your left and your right hand. Of course, you can set up the different modes, the different speeds, the fan, the heat, and the timer. You can go ahead and customize it exactly how you want it to be, and you can simply just set it down on your desk while you're working on something else, doing anything, or just relaxing on the couch, and it's going to be super comfortable, and it alleviates a lot of pain, especially with having the adjustable intensity modes as well. It has a super compact design. It only weighs around 3 pounds, so if you wanted to, you can go ahead and pack this away in your luggage if you wanted to bring it with you on the go. When it comes to charging this, it's just a simple USB-C, as you can see here on the side, and if you wanted to turn the device completely off, there's also a setting down here, so it's not gonna use any extra battery just by sitting on standby. So you can either leave it all the way on or off, and then from there you can control it by using the button here on the front. You don't have to worry about it being too tight. Maybe you might have really big hands and you're worried about the pressure being too tight on your hands. If you have sensitive hands, you don't have to worry about that because it has a built-in function safety feature. So if it feels that it is too tight, it won't go too crazy with it. So it does have some adjustable options there, so you could make it more intense or less intense, but either way, you don't have to worry about it really compressing on your hand too hard because it has that safety feature in it. It's going to be great if you have any type of arthritis or carpal tunnel, or if you just use your hands a lot and your hands are really sore at the end of the day. This is going to be a great pain reliever. It's super easy to use. It's simple. You can bring it with you wherever you want. You don't have to leave it plugged into the wall or anything like that. So wherever you are, you could bring this with you to relieve that pain in your hands. So if you're looking for a super nice compression massager for your hand, I would definitely recommend picking up this Belhope Hand Massager.